This is my Colony, the Living 2012 version, and it's a full chromo bike. Colony, the Living, with a Colony seat, Colony dagger bars. They're like 29.5 inches wide or something. Jet black purple grips with Colony bar ends. Colony rims that say Colony on them. Colony wheels. Colony fantastic plastic pedals that are white. 3-piece cranks. 25 tooth descendant sprocket. And yeah, chromo 1-piece forks. Colony engraved stem. And at the front it says Colony engraved to the bike. The hubs are cassette alloy hubs, and that's my Colony Living bike check.